أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear sister. Islam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Hope you all are good and well and in increasing state of health and iman. Inshallah. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Barakallahu fiki. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So Alhamdulillah, let's begin today's class. Anything and everything, start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's rectify your intentions. Please rectify your intentions. Make niyah that you're learning this skill, learning this talent, learning this ability for the sake of Allah, for volunteering in His way and to earn rizq halal through this, inshallah ta'ala. So rectify your intentions. Please start with Bismillah so that Allah puts barakah in your time, efforts, and skills, and seek help from Almighty Allah with du'as. Rabbana zidna ilma. Okay, let's begin and let's continue this journey of being a productive Muslimah together, inshallah ta'ala. So let's quickly recap whatever we had done in the previous classes. So we had dealt with the software installation, right? Software installation, alhamdulillah, most of the sisters and almost all of the students have installed the software, right? Alhamdulillah. If still you have not installed the software, please let me know. Please ping me. I'll help you throughout, inshallah. So we have dealt with the creation of a project, the test project, and then we have dealt with something called aspect ratio in it. While creating a project, we have to begin with an aspect ratio. So my dear sisters and brothers here, please tell what is the aspect ratio. Why is aspect ratio necessary? Why is an aspect ratio necessary? It is used. Yes, it is used to determine the video size. Excellent. So we are going to determine the video size before creating a video for the YouTube channel or wherever you're going to create the video for. You need to decide that, and at first you need to set that. Fine, for a YouTube channel or an Instagram story. So whatever it is, aspect ratio is important. One thing I want to tell you all, sisters and brothers here, is if you learn KineMaster, if you learn the application of video editing with KineMaster, you are almost done with learning the video editing with every software. Okay, because even if you just learn KineMaster, you will also be able to use every software, every video editing software. You will be able to use Splice, you will be able to use the video editors on the PC, you will be able to use the video editor like Adobe Premiere Pro. Everything you will be able to use on the laptop or your PC as well, or on your personal computer as well. Okay, so the KineMaster, the features in KineMaster are very are used throughout the video editing softwares. Fine. So okay, so we had dealt with the test project, we have dealt with the aspect ratio to determine the size of the video, and then we had dealt with the advanced option, the photo and the video display, which had fit, fill, and auto, then the photo duration as well as the transition duration, which was decided by the application itself. You do not have to edit there. Fine. Then the aspect ratios we had of different types. Can you please tell me in the chat box which denotes which? What is 16:9, dear students? What is 16:9 used for? Yes, YouTube. What is 16:9 used for? Is it used for YouTube? Yes, it is used for YouTube. What about 9:16? You can use the chat box, please. 9:16, it is used for TikTok and more, right? 1:1 used for Instagram stories, Instagram reels. 4:3 used for, again, the Instagram or the YouTube shorts. and 3:4 again for YouTube Shorts, 4:5, 4:5 for Instagram Reels. Excellent. 2.35:1 is a cinematic thing that you can use in filmmaking as well. So in such a small and small application, you have such complicated features. Okay, so let's recap whatever we had studied in yesterday's class. It was about the editing interface, that is the workspace of the KineMaster. Fine. The workspace of the KineMaster, we have only dealt with the two topics of the workspace. One is a timeline that is at the bottom. Excellent. And another is the media circle that was on the top right. Fine. So it was the timeline. Okay, for any video editor, you will have a timeline in any video editor. Even if you check the editors in the App Store or in the Splice or something, and then you have some editors like Filmora and more. All of these editors have the same thing in common. One is a timeline is always available there. This is a timeline. Fine. This is the timeline which is at the bottom of the screen, correct? And this is a video bar. This is a video bar where the video is displayed. This is a media bar. Here the media circle is a media circle where you will extract the media and you will have almost 4 tools, correct? And here it is a control bar. We'll discuss this control bar and more in today's class. The export thing, the marketplace and more, the asset store and more we will discuss in today's class. Okay, so this was about the timeline. Timeline is here, and this has something, this one, what is this called? This is something called as a timestamp. Okay, here it is used to move the videos. The videos here that appear here can be moved. Okay, they can be just replaced, displaced, or something. They can be deleted by selecting with your fingers. Please open up the app in your cell phone, in your smartphone. Please open this application and keep, so that it will be easy for you to understand the concept that I'm explaining to you right now. Okay, so this is about the timeline, and the next we had discussed about the media circle, right? This was a media circle. Now please tell me, dear sisters, in the control in the chat box, what is the media? What is media used for? Yes, please type in the chat box. Yes, why do you click on the media? Yes, to get the image and the video, right? To get the image and the video on the screen, on the to be edited, image or the video that is to be edited can be extracted from this media, right? From the first thing. Then what about audio? You're going to insert image audios from here, right? From this. Yes. What about the recording? Why are you going to record? To add a voice over to this clip, to the video clip. You can even voice record here. Fine. So after this, yes, dear sisters. And what about the layers? Yes, this is a very important and complicated feature in the KineMaster. Layer has 5 options. Excellent. Very good. So layer has 5 options. What are those 5 options, dear sisters? It is a media, it is an effect, it is a stickers, it is a text, and it is a handwriting, right? So media can be inserted on this video. Any video that you're going to take, you can insert the media. You also can photo edit on this video editing app. Do you know this? You also can make the photo editing. You can make the flyers on this. You know, the admin of the At-Tawabin, a channel known as At-Tawabin, they create such an interesting flyers. Okay, when it was asked to them, they were telling that we create the flyers using the KineMaster application. All of the flyers using the KineMaster application. Okay, so it's quite interesting. You can go on their Instagram or YouTube and you can just check the Instagram channel. They have such eye-catching flyers and they create it from the KineMaster. You can go and just check it now from the Instagram at the Wabin channel. Okay, they create the flyers from this KineMaster. So you can also you can just unleash your creativity using this KineMaster. You can put anything. You can create, you can make the photo, you can edit the photos here, you can edit the videos here, inshallah. So you just have to do is you have to get a hold on this application. That's all. Get a hold on this application. I'll be telling you every tools. I'll teach you how to use all of these tools, inshallah, but you have to make use of your creativity and unleash your creativity throughout this course, inshallah. So this was the layers that was discussed. One is the media, one is the effects. The effects will be added, that we will take in the upcoming classes. Then the stickers, then the text. Text is very important to add. Here we have so many different texts that we can download, and then handwriting. You can just write something on the video and just keep it as a layer. Fine. So only this much we have studied. Now in the upcoming class, we are going to discuss about the workspace that we are in, the KineMaster workspace, inshallah. So let's continue. I'm going to share the screen, inshallah. Are you ready with 2 devices or one device and a book with you? Yes, dear sister, are you ready for the class? Yes, Alhamdulillah. So if you do not have two separate devices, then no problem. You need to have one book and you need to write down the key points. And then after the class, you can please practice this. Please practice. You have to practice because this is just the 20 days course. You are learning so much in this 20 days course that you can be a professional editor. Okay, you can be a professional editor after this, inshallah. So try to attend all of the classes, try to be very punctual in the class. So let's start. Let's begin the class with the workspace of the KineMaster, inshallah. So I'll quickly share my screen. Practice along with me, please. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is the KineMaster application. We have discussed everything. We'll just directly go to discuss about the workspace so that we can utilize much of our time today, inshallah. So, okay, how do we create the project? We'll just click on the create new project. We'll just type some name. Let's write it as test project. Okay, done. Oh, we can take any of the aspect ratio. Let's take 1:1 today. Okay, let's just take 1:1 as the video size, the aspect ratio, and just click on the create. Fine. Then there appears the media browser. We can just click on the media there, and we can take videos, images, or everything. You can just click on images and you'll get images on the right of the screen. On the left of the screen, you have the options video, image, or all. Okay, so you can just click on each of it and just extract the media that is to be edited. Fine. For now, we will just consider the images or the video part. Okay, any video is fine. Let's just take this video. Okay, alhamdulillah. So there's a video here. See here. Why is the screen, my dear sisters, why is the screen in this way? Why is this video here and not fit to the screen, not filled into the screen? Because do you remember while selecting the advanced option? Yes, while selecting the advanced option, we had put that the photo or the video that we are displacing, let it fit or fill the screen. What did we select? We selected fit the screen, just fit the screen. That video should fit in the screen. Okay, so the screen that we had taken was Instagram reel. This was this big, but the video that we have taken is this much. You know, we also have we will learn how to edit this video, how to make this video, how to enlarge this video. Okay, it's nothing but we just have to pinch it from the two fingers and just enlarge it. Like how you maximize the screens from two fingers. You're just going to pinch that and you're going to enlarge it. I'll just show you how you're going to do it. Okay, select this video. What you have to do is select on the video. Fine. Select on the screen. Then you have pan and zoom, and then you're going to zoom it. Okay, so I'll tell you how. First of let's just see what is in the workspace, and then we will go to the detail editing tools, inshallah. So we are here with the workspace. We have discussed about media, audio, layer, recording, and more, right? So this was the media circle that we had discussed, right? The media circle is done. We do not have to bother about it now. Okay, we will discuss the next part later. Fine. Now let's go to the left of the screen. On the leftmost part of the screen, we have, what do we have, dear sisters? We have this one, the arrow mark that is showing this is a back button. Okay, you're just going back here. Okay, if you press this, you will go back to the main menu in which the projects are saved. Okay, and this one is an undo option. Okay, this is an undo option. Dear sisters and brothers, please write it down or take it down somewhere. You have to remember these things. Okay, this is a redo option. You're going to redo. Matlab, if you have undone something and you want to get it back, you can just redo it. Okay, and this one will be able to capture and save this file. For example, if it is here, if the video, okay, the timestamp, can you see the timestamp? Where is the timestamp? It's here, right? This is a timestamp. I told you this is a timestamp. When you're going to move this timestamp, it will show you part of the video that you're in. Fine. When you're going to move this timestamp, it will show you the part of the video that you're in. If you want to capture the video, you can just click on the control bar, the fourth button on the control bar. This is the fourth button on the control bar that you can click on. You can just click on and you can capture this. For example, if you want to create, for example, just for a while, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, a moment, please. If you want to capture this ayah from this, okay, so capture something from this file. Fine. What you're going to do is you're going to click here and you're going to press this control bar, the fourth option on the control bar, this option on the control bar. You're going to press there and then capture the screen. That's all. You can just get a eye-catching flyer from there. That's all. From a video, you can take a photo. That's all. This is what it is here. Capture and save, capture and add as a clip, capture and add as a layer, capture and add as a thumbnail. Okay, all of these are the capture options. You do not need to worry, you will understand it in the upcoming classes. I'm just explaining to you what tools are there in the KineMaster. Fine. This is a capture tool that you can use, inshallah, while extracting the thumbnails to the YouTube channel or more. Why is this used? Because it is used to extract the thumbnails for each and everything. Okay, for example, you're creating this video for the Instagram and you want some thumbnail, then what you do is you go to any part of the video that you find it very good. So you go here and what you do is you just click on capture and capture that photo from the video. Fine. This is how you're going to do it. Fine. So the next option that is here is the settings option. This is see here, current frame is captured. It shows current frame is captured after you capture the content. Okay, the next option on the control bar, dear sisters, it is the advanced settings. Okay, here you will have advanced settings like, I'll just click on it. I'll show you how these advanced settings works. So you can just save the settings for the audio. You can save the settings for the video as well for the editing. Fine. Here in the advanced option, you have the property settings for audio. You can just automatically master the volume for whichever audio you want. Okay, you can automatically tell that this volume should be 100%. It can say that the volume of this audio should be 100% throughout the video, or you can say that the volume of the audio should be very less. In this way, it is the editing tools that you have here. That is the advanced settings. Fine. You do not need to worry. Inshallah, in the future we will get to know how you are going to use this. The audio fade in option that is here, this is very interesting. How it starts is when you click on the audio fade in, what happens is when the video starts, at first the audio will start from the very low voice, and then it will come to some pitch, and then it will be in a level. Fine. So this is an audio fade in option. Then it is a fade out option. At the end of the video, the audio will fade out. So this is the three options that you have. And in the video, there is also a video fade in and video fade out. Matlab, it will be blurred. At first the starting will be blurred and the ending will be blurred if you click on the video fade in and video fade out. Okay, these are the options that you have in the advanced tools, and this is the photo duration that you had previously fixed in the advanced options. Fine. Do you remember while creating the project, these were the options? The photo duration option, default photo duration, fit in the screen or fill in the screen, or auto, or then the transition duration. These were the options that were already discussed. Fine. This much was about the control bar. And on the timeline option, you have something called this one. This is used to enlarge the timeline. Okay, you're going to enlarge. For example, if you have so many videos that are inserted, video upon video, if you're going to insert layer upon layer, if you have so many things here, if you're going to have another text message and you cannot see the below options, what you can do is you can just click on this maximize. So it will just show you the timeline, only the timeline and not the video bar. So only the timeline is maximized. That's all. Okay. And one more interesting fact, pinch your two fingers here, dear sisters, on the timeline, and just minimize the screen, minimize it. Come on, give it a try. What you have to do is you have to just pinch in. Okay, the timeline will be minimized. Just see here how it is minimized. I can enlarge this timeline. Can you see this? Yes. What you have to do is if you insert any of the video here in the timeline, you just pinch it from the fingers, finger in, then it will be minimized, and finger out, this timeline will be maximized. Okay, the speed of the video will remain the same. Only the minimization and maximization can be done by pinching with the two fingers. That's all. Okay, this was it about the control bar. in the upcoming classes, for at least till day 4 and day 5, we are going to just discuss about the tools, and then we are going to see the video editing in professional way, inshallah. Okay, so where were we? This was the control bar that we had discussed. Okay, the leftmost bar is called as a control bar. Remember this, dear sisters, that is a control bar. What is at the bottom? This is a timeline. Fine. And what is this? This is a video window, correct? Whichever video or the audio that you're going to insert, video or the photo that you're going to insert, that is shown here. So it is a media window or video window. The video is being shown here, right? It is whatever the video you're going to edit, it is shown here. So it is a video window that is shown here. Fine. And this one is your media circle. It has 5 options, and this is it. And here you have 2 more things. This is an asset store. Okay, this is called as an asset store. It is available in all of the video editors. Fine. Asset store. This is an asset store. This is through this, the option here, this is used to play the video that you're going to edit, play the video that you're editing. Fine. And here there is an export option. Fine. This is an export option. This is an export option. Please remember this. It is an export option. I'll teach you what the export is now. Fine. How to export the content, how it works out. Okay. So this one, let's just click on the asset store first. This is an asset store. From the asset store, the KineMaster provides you free things to download. Free videos, free audios, free effects, free overlays, free transitions, and free drawings, free stickers, and more are available on the asset store. It is free of cost for the pro users, and for the other users it will be a paid version. Fine. For example, this is an asset store. Just look here. Here it is a sticker store. Here it is the effect store. See, so many and lakhs together of asset is present here. Okay, the transitions are available here, the overlays here, the texts and titles are here, and then the audios are here, then the videos are here. You can even have the content like the sound effects here, and the clip graphics here, intro, the extra for the YouTube channels are available here. So all of this you can make use, and you can just make them very perfect videos, inshallah ta'ala. So here you have the thumbnails, you have the images, the stock of images you have here, the fonts you're available here, the fonts, any type of font you want, you can find it here. You want Arabic fonts, you want Urdu fonts, you will find each and every font here. Fine. So this is a wide range of collection in the KineMaster, so that you can edit any of the content here, inshallah. So okay, see, just I have tabbed Arabic here. You have so many Arabic fonts here. The fully Arabic, Noto Arabic, Droid Arabic, IBM Arabic. So these all Arabic contents, Arabic fonts are very useful while editing the Quranic recitations and more. Okay, so okay, alhamdulillah. This was about the asset store. Fine. So the next thing that we are going to see is about the export word. Okay, this is an export option that is in the top right corner. Okay, top right corner. In some KineMaster it will be on the left corner. Okay, if it is the old version, then it is on the left and the left top corner. Now it is on the right top corner because it is a new version, new update, so it is available on the top right corner. It is nothing but exporting the video. Okay, how are we going to export the video? Okay, what does export mean, dear sisters? What does export mean? What is an export option? Export is nothing but you're going to the edited video, that whatever the video that you have edited now. For example, this is the video that you're going to edit. Okay, this is the edited video now. You have just added the text here on the video, and then you're going to add some other thing on the video, or as such, if you add something like that. Okay. Okay, see, it's quite easy to place anything in the KineMaster. Fine, just see, you can just place any text, anyone, anything, but just by moving it on the screen, just by typing and moving it on the screen. Okay, this is an edited video that I have. How to export it? How to export it in the form of video? How to export this edited content in the form of video is nothing but you're going to click on the top right of the KineMaster option. The option that is available here is an export option. Okay, this is an option that is available here. Okay, this option is here, so you're going to click on that. Fine, you're going to click here, and here you have the export options. These are the many options that you have here. Okay, for to understand this, my dear brothers and sisters, to understand this, you have to have some of the knowledge for the resolution, for the frame rates, for the bit rates, and more. Okay, so okay, I remember I've told you about frame rates. Do you remember fbps? I have told you as a frame per second, fps, yesterday. What is frame per second? What is fps stands for? It is nothing but in a video of 1 second, how many frames are inserted, how many images are inserted. For example, for 1 second video, usually 24 images are inserted, right? This is actually how it is dealt, how a video is formed. 1 second video ka matlab hota hai ki you have 24 images in 1 second video. Okay, this is commonly taken. Fine, 1 second video has 24 images. So the frame rate should be about 25 till 30. Okay, this is the most compatible and most good, okay, recommended frame rate. It should be about 25, and 30 is better. Okay, so you can select anything about 30. 25 to 30, 25, 30, 50, 20. You do not go for 24 or less of it. Okay, you can just select about 25 for the frame rate. And what about the resolution? Okay, what is the resolution? Any guess? What is the resolution? It is nothing but it actually determines the quality of the video. It actually determines what quality your video will be in. Higher the resolution you select, the better the quality of the video you will get. Okay, higher the resolution that you're going to select, better the quality you will get. So what of FHD, full HD you can select, or the HD you can select, then you can select the SD as well. But how much the quality, how much the resolution you're going to select, the video size will be so much. Okay, video size will increase as you increase the resolution. For example, if you select SD, just see here, if I select the SD here, okay, if I'm going to select the SD here, okay, see the video size, it is about 48 MB. It's just written here 48 MB. Can you just see here 48 MB? Okay, but for example, if I select HD, I'll just stop the animation. FHD, see the video size, it is about 195 MB that you're going to export. The time taken will also increase to export. Fine, after setting the resolution, after setting the frame rates, what you're going to set is you're going to set the bit rate. Where is the bit rate? It is here. This is a bit rate, the low option, the high option. This is what is a bit rate. Bit rate is nothing but in how many bits this video is exported. Okay, it will be in the form of mbps. What is mbps actually stands for? It will be in the mbps, megabytes per second. Yes, in how many megabytes per second is this video exported? That's all. Okay, then after that you're going to click on the save as video. Okay, so to decide how much should your video be exported in, you have to be very, very careful while selecting the resolution, while selecting the frame rates, and while selecting the bit rates. Remember, the frame rate should always be about 25, and the resolution should be around 1080 FHD, or it should be above 720 pixels, because all of the YouTube channels or anywhere actually accepts the resolution for 720 pixels. Okay, it also accepts the resolutions below this, but it won't be a clear video. Okay, the clarity of the video depends upon how much resolution you're going to select. So the quality of the video is very important while exporting. Fine, to have a higher quality of the video, you have to select the high resolution. That's all. Fine, so this was about the export. I'll just close the screen. I do not want to export. Okay, if you want, you can export. You just have to click on the save as video, and this video will be exported in 5 to 6 minutes. That's all. Okay, so this was it. So these were the options and tools that were present on the interface. It's just the interface of the KineMaster. Fine. Okay, now in a while I'll just edit a small video and show it for you. Okay, chalo, we'll just begin. We'll just edit a small video. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to click on the media. This is a empty interface. Fine, you just have to click on the media. Fine, then whatever the media is available in your device, you just need to go there and click on that media, okay, media, okay. So for example, I'll just click on some media like this, something like, what do you think? Okay, okay, we have this media now. Okay, we'll just close this option. Fine, this is a video that we have. Fine, okay, it's showing up now. Okay, when you click on this media, fine, okay, let's not click on the video, let's just play this video. Okay, this media has a voice. Okay, so to remove the voice of this video, remove the voice of the video, what we have to do is we are going to edit this video now. See, the video is not fit into the screen, it is not filled into the screen, it's just fit into the screen. To fill it into the screen, to make some edits to this video, what you have to do at first is you're going to click on this timeline. Where is the timeline? This is the timeline. Yes, this is the timeline. You're going to see that video where this video is and go and click on that video. Fine, just click on that video. You will have more options to edit that video. Fine, so just click on this video. Okay, here is your video. I'll just enlarge the timeline so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so whenever you click on the video, there are so many edit options here. Okay, see here, the media circle that was previously here, that will be replaced by the editing options, advanced options. So whenever you click on the video on the timeline, you will get so many options. So these are the options that you have got. See here, so many options that you have. Okay, we'll discuss each of these options one by one in next of the classes. Next 2 to 3 classes we'll just discuss about these options, and after the 2 to 3 classes, inshallah, we are just going to start with the editing of each and every content that we have mentioned in the flyer, inshallah. So okay, what option do we have while editing the video? Okay, we'll just click on the video. We have options, we have several options. See what options are here. Such a sophisticated options that are available here. So many options in just a small app. See here, just what is the first thing that you have here? The first option is replace. What does replace mean? Replace means you are going to replace this video with another video. You can just remove this video and replace it with another just by clicking on this. For example, if I click on this, it will show you the media browser, and this video will be replaced by another video. That's all. You can just replace it with another video. This video will be gone and you will get another video. See how interesting is it? Yes. So this is the first option that you have. The second option is trim and split. This is a very interesting option. See how we are going to do this. Just a moment. I'll just zoom it so that it will be easy for us. Fine. So we have an option named as trim and select. For example, if I do not want the first of the content, first here, okay, all of the first things that are here, I just want the last part. So what I do is I just drag my finger through the timeline, and whichever part I do not want, I go till there. Okay, I stop there and then just select the trim option. It is just nothing but a scissor there, right? It's a scissor, and over there you're going to click and you're going to just trim and split there. Okay, what you can do, there are 4 options in trim and split. Okay, there are 4 options in trim and split. How we are going to trim this video or cut this video is nothing but you can trim left. If you press on trim left, okay, dear sisters and brothers, if you press on trim left, the left content will be wiped off. Okay, if you press on trim left, everything on the left of this timeline, this timestamp, there is a timestamp here, right? And the left of this timestamp will be wiped off. Okay, if you select on trim right, everything on the right side of this timestamp will be wiped off. Okay, right of this timestamp, just see where this timestamp stands. This timestamp is here, right? Okay, this timestamp is here. So this everything on the left will be wiped off if you click on the trim left. If you click on the trim right, everything on the right will be wiped off. And what about split option? If you click on the split, then this video will be divided into 2 parts. I'll just click and show it to you. If you click on the split, this video has been divided into 2 parts. Just see here, it is into 2 parts now. there is a mid gap here. Can you see? There is a gap generated here, and this video is divided into two parts, and this video has become two videos. It's not just one video now, it's two videos here. Fine. So this is how you're going to trim, select, trim and split the videos. Fine. So you're going to select it on the timeline, select that video on the timeline, then press on the trim, and then you can just trim left or you can just trim right. See, I'll show you how you're going to trim left. Go to any option, go to any option on the video, go anywhere on the video, just click on the trim and trim left, and the left part is trimmed out. And go anywhere in the video, select anywhere on the video, then click on the trim, then trim right, the right part is splitted off. Okay, so how to do, where and all will this be used? For example, if you have some content in which you have to remove most of the things, what you do, you open that video, you're just going to see here. If you have this video and you just do not want the part from 2 seconds to 4 seconds, okay, just remember this. If you do not want the part 2 seconds to 4 seconds of that video, okay, 2 to 4 seconds is something that you do not want, what you have to do, you have to go to the option the timestamp here, and you're going to split it here, right? First you will split it here, and then you'll go to this one and split it here, and then you're going to delete this part. That's all. See how interesting it is, right? So how do you do this? What you do, go here, move to the timestamp where it stands for 2 seconds, go to the 2 second option, stop here, click on the scissors, the trim option, split it here. After that, move to the 4 second, stop here, press on the trim and split it here. So there are two splittings. So this is 3 videos now. Now delete the content from 2 to 4 seconds that you have splitted and kept it as a video. You have to delete it. It appears when you select on the video, it appears on the left of the control bar. Just click on the dustbin option that is on the left of the control bar. So delete it. Click on delete and just delete it. That's all. This is how you're going to remove something from some unwanted things from the video. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, for example, if I have a lesson video, if I have a Zoom recording, if I do not want something, I feel something is some disturbance is there in the Zoom recording. What I do, I just put it on the timeline. I see which second to which second I want to remove. I have to just split here and delete the part that is not required. This is how I do it. Okay, so this option is very important, the trim and split. Have you all understood what is trim and split option? Just click on the video, go to the trim and split option. This is very important option because this is used very often in the KineMaster. It is used very often in the video and photo editing. Fine. If you have a 3-hour video and if you are going to see the video and you're going to remove the unwanted things from that video, what you have to do is you are going to use this option, trim and split option. So this is very important, trim and split options. So this is for today, inshallah. We have 5 minutes left. I'll just take your doubts, inshallah. So this was a class for today. Okay, I'll just stop sharing the screen. Any doubts, we'll just see, inshallah, and we'll just recap whatever we had studied today, inshallah ta'ala. I'll just stop sharing the screen. Okay, alhamdulillah, dear sisters. Can you all please make use of the chat box to write down your questions or write whatever we have studied in today's class, so that it will be okay for me that I have conveyed something to you, inshallah. Okay. Chalo. Okay, please mention in the chat box whatever you have studied today in today's class. Let's recap, please. Yes, inshallah. Trim and split will be explained again in tomorrow's class. Yes. Yes, what we have studied in today's class? Yes, replace option is done. Yes, we have studied about replace option. What about the control bar, dear sisters? Have you not studied the leftmost bar, that is control bar? What and all options did we have in the control bar? Please type. Yes, we have a back option. After that, what we have? What do you have in the control bar? Yes, a redo option. Yes, very good. A undo option, very good. There's an undo option, option, and we have an advanced settings. Very good. There is an advanced setting as well. For the advanced setting, it was the same as the at the start what you had assigned. For example, fit to the screen, photo duration, transition duration, and more. And also we have audio fade in, audio fade out, and more. The capturing content, I have already told them, high profile YouTube channels or the Instagram flyers are generated from the KineMaster. The photo, just the flyers can also be generated from the KineMaster. Okay, from through the just by capturing from the screen. Yes, time bar, you can enlarge the timeline. Very good, excellent. Okay, it is from the control bar. And what about the timeline? Oh, it can be enlarged by pinching the screen, right? Just pinching from the two fingers. Have you tried it out? Have you all tried it out with the fingers? You can just enlarge the video in the yes, you can just enlarge the video by pinching from the two fingers. That's all. You can just minimize the timeline with your two fingers. Okay. And what about the media circle? It was already discussed in yesterday's class. And what about the asset store? Where did we find asset store? Yes, where did we find asset store, dear sisters? Yes, it was on the right side. Excellent. What did we have in the asset store? What did we have in the asset store? Yes, what did we have in the asset store? We had stock images, yes, we had stock images. We had stock, everything in the stock, different elements. We had effects, we had fonts and more. Okay, then what about this export option? What was in the export option? Yes, it is not only for the paid version, it is also for the modified version that I had given you. You will get all of it free in the modified version. The mod version that I have provided for you, it was free for all of you, okay, in the mod version. But if you have not downloaded the mod version, you won't be able to enjoy all the benefits of the KineMaster. So okay, what about yes, in the export option we have so many different things in the export option. But yes, it is used to save and share. We have so many different things. What are the different things that you encounter in the export option? The first thing is about frame rates. Frame rate is very important. What does frame rate stands for? It is FPS, frames per second. It should be about 25 always. Yes, FPS, very good. So it is frames per second. A video is nothing but it is made up of images, right? 1 second video has almost 24 images in it. So it is called as a video. Okay, how actually is a video captured? It is nothing but they capture it 24 times. They capture one image 24 times to make a video of 1 second. Okay, this is how actually the video is captured. Fine. Well, for example, when you capture a video from your cell phone, then it is actually nothing but images that you're going to capture. Actually, yes, you're going to capture the images. You're going to capture 24 images in 1 second. That is going to be a video. Okay, that is going to be a video. So that we are deciding here. FPS, how many photos should be mentioned there? Yes, it is 24, about 24. Okay, then we encounter something called resolution. How much resolution should our screen have? This is based on the size of the screen. Okay, so actually it should be full HD. It should be full HD. To get a high quality content video, we have to have full HD videos. Okay, full HD, FHD, QHD, we have more, 4K, we have more options as well. 4K, it is based on your cell phone. Okay, you will get the option based on your smartphone. Okay, if your smartphone supports 4K videos, you will also get an option there called 4K. Okay, you will also get an option called FHD. Okay, you have so many options available based on your cell phone, based on the resolution available on your smartphone. Fine. And then the third thing that decides the quality of the video is nothing but bit rates. Okay, yes, bit rates. Yes, sisters, what is bit rates? Bit rates are nothing but in how many mbps and how many megabytes per second does this video transported, or what do we say, exported. Okay, this is how we decide the export options. Okay, alhamdulillah, this was about the all the interface that was discussed. This is the interface of the KineMaster. And then whenever you click on a video, you have several options, right? In that options, we had just discussed about replace and what more, dear sisters? After replace, what did we discuss? We discussed about trim, yes. Split, yes. Trim and split option. In the trim and split option, you have trim left, trim right, and then split option. Excellent, split option. Okay, this is very interesting option. I'll show you how you're going to do. For example, in a video which has some glitches, for example, if you have a video, a good Quran tilawa video or some lecture video, and in in some seconds or something, you have very bad harsh background voices there, and you want to remove that content. So how do? You just trim and split that video, split it from this side and split it from this side and delete this much. Yes, this is how you do it, right? So this was about trim left, trim right, and split options. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this was the class for today. We are almost time for the class. Take care of yourself. Have a good day, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.